Today we are gonna be tasting snacks from Philippines. I'm excited. Who will go first?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh, let's go first. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I'm going second.
Okay, you ready, guys?
Yes, we are. It's something you made. Wow.
Clover chips. It's barbecue corn snacks.
Let's smell it first.
It's a bit, you can smell strong. It's quite strong.
Salty.
Ooh.
The shape is nice. Look at this. 3, 2, 1, let's go.
What's that noise is?
These are the best chips I've tried. This is actually the corn, not the barbecue.
Really?
But
I can taste
I can
barbecue.
taste barbecue as well.
I love
Barbecue.
barbecue flavor is really nice. Let's rate it from 1 to 10.
10 out of 10.
Whoa! I will give 8. Was good.
8 is well.
Ready for next ones?
Yes.
It's mommy's turn.
My turn. Oh, this is still heavy.
You feel a lot of stuff in there.
Oh wow! Pork crunch.
These are like cheese but pork flavor. That's actually strange. I have no idea.
What? It doesn't smell nice.
It should taste very good.
No.
This is the most popular snack there.
Is it?
Can you try first? 3, 2, 1.
Let's go.
Like popcorn.
Salty. I like it.
They have to taste like air. I don't know what.
Okay, you know what it is? It's a pork skin cooked in oil.
It wasn't bad. What's your face? You didn't like it? No? I will give 8 out of 10. I liked it.
I'll give a 5. I'm sorry, it's just not for me. 3.
3.
I don't like pork.
Now it's Gaby. My daughter.
Fudge boy, yes, I love fudge. Me
Whoa,
too.
look, there's many colors.
I like this. Go
Okay,
for green.
open it.
It's too interesting.
It looks
Too
really
interesting.
too good to be true. Oh, let's see.
Macapuno cream filled macapuno cake bar.
Okay, Alex, choose your flavor. I know what flavor I want.
This one she loves chocolate.
Yeah, mommy will go for the chocolate.
I'm just gonna take this chocolate.
Oh, this is the custard. You don't want a custard?
Sure.
Let's open it.
Matcha. Ooh, look at this.
It's like Madeira cake.
Wow, look at your color.
Zombie cake, like a zombie cake.
Good for Halloween. Oh, the smell is
Smell
so
it.
nice.
Peel the paper
We
first,
can also.
like mama do.
Let's have a big bite of this. Oh my goodness.
What about the taste? It's like normal cake.
Yeah, it's like a sponge cake, but there's a lot of dry sponge cakes out there. This is really like soaky one. It's not dry at all.
You see like the cream filling.
Yeah, cream filling.
Looks like pistachio.
Oh, it's really good.
Every cake, every flavor is.
Awesome. 8. I'll say 8.
I will give 10 out of 10!
10 out of 10.
Oh, now this is a winner.
Winner, chicken dinner.
Who is the next?
Alex!
Alex!
Please give me something good.
There is everything good, man.
Whoa!
Prawn crackers spice.
Oh!
I have tried prawns and I don't like them.
Yeah, but on this, that might be good.
But you love the prawn cocktail crisps.
It's a red shrimp. It's a red shrimp. That's why it might be like very spicy.
Yeah.
Boss, do it.
Really open. Oh, it smells fishy.
I don't like it.
It's a really strong smell.
I remember it's spicy. I think this is the worst one for Gaby. She doesn't like spicy or she doesn't like
It might not be that spicy. We'll see. Okay. Ding ding.
No, no.
It is spicy and it tastes really fishy as well. You don't like it? No.
Gabs, come back to us.
Come here, baby girl.
Guess what? I'll give it a 0 out of 10.
I will give 3.
I'll give a 0.
Oh
don't like
no, I
fish
think
and I
it's a
don't
0
like spice.
first time.
You never know, some people love fish, some
Yeah,
people love meat,
exactly.
some people don't love meat at all.
People who like seafood will definitely like this.
Especially our grandma.
Grandma, we will save this for you. Thank you.
Gaby next, Mama next, Alex next, Mama.
Mommy! Mango nectar. I'm quite thirsty. Let's see.
Don't break your nails. Give me, I'll help you out.
Oh, good.
Smells like a durian. Yeah. Smells like a durian.
Actually,
Smells like a durian.
it's not the best
Wait,
smell.
it's mango nectar.
Yeah, you should try. It should be sweet.
It's sweet. Taste is better than smell. What do you think?
Just tastes like mango.
Mango
Very
juice?
sweet mango. It's just mango juice. That is way better than the chips.
I will give 7 out of 10.
I'll give it 8 out of 10.
Oh.
I'll give it 7 out of 10.
Okay, ready for
Not
next?
bad.
Yes.
Why are you touching?
Dried mangoes. I love dried.
Smell it. It smells like mango. Yeah, but better than the mango juice, definitely.
Oh my god, it's stuck.
Ready?
Yeah.
Let's taste it.
What does mean?
Give a second to
To enjoy it.
enjoy it.
I
Yeah.
love it.
Where's yours? Finished.
So nice.
You can take tomorrow to school.
Let's rate it.
10 out of 10.
Oh, I will give 8 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Whose turn it is now?
Alex! No! Oh.
Cheese flavored potato chips, and it's called piatos.
Piatos.
Yato.
Come on. Oh, cheese.
Cheesy. Very thin chip. Very crunchy. You like that?
Cheesy?
Yeah, I like it. Really nice.
Chin.
Let's rate it.
10 out of 10.
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10.
Ooh, that's not bad.
Let's see.
Hello.
Pillows.
What?
You feel crackers.
That was so much easier.
Easier. It smells sweet.
Like a sponge.
Oh.
Not now. 2, 1, go. I like those cereals that we have.
Or is it a filling inside?
Yeah, it's a cream inside.
Oh yeah, you know there's a pillow cereal.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
That we have them right now.
I will give the purple pillows 9 out of 10.
7 out of 10. 7 out of 10. Mouth feels dried, so yeah.
Oh,
You're going
you
for
need
a drink.
Wow.
Lemon green tea, cool and clean. That looks like honey.
Lemon and green tea. Brewed and bottled
bottled
in
on the
same
same
day.
It actually smells very lemony.
Oh, it's very lemony.
It's basically like tea, but lemon flavor.
Taste it.
Oh, it's like blue tea.
It's really good, actually.
Oh, the popping.
No, stop.
Ready to rate this?
9 out of 10, very good, but not my favorite.
9 out of 10, definitely.
10 out of 10.
So far, Philippine snacks are really good.
They're
Really
the best.
good.
Alex turn.
Is there something left, Alex? Say yes. Yes.
Crunchy chocolate flavored corn snack.
It's like a corn
Look,
puss.
those are just chocolate.
Mama power. I can't fail now.
Give it to Dada then.
Daddy, you was cheating. You use your teeth now. Smells chocolate already. Give me some. Give me some. Oh, okay. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Very chocolatey. Chocolatey. I would say it's similar to Cocoa Pops.
Yeah, exactly like Cocoa Pops.
Yeah.
We can have this for breakfast.
Stop eating. Stop eating.
10 out of 10.
9 out of 10 from me.
8 out of 10 from me.
Bring it on.
What is this? Some kind of jar. Ube halaya. What is
Wait,
that?
purple yam jam. It says it, look.
Smell it.
It smells.
Oh, I can't say the flavor.
Okay, taste and then
Can you
say.
go first, mommy?
Oh, look at
What's inside? What
this.
is that?
I have no idea to be
I'm
honest.
just going for it. The texture is really strange. It's not like a jam, but it's good.
No?
You don't like it?
No, Alex didn't like it.
I don't.
The ingredients are purple jam, sugar, water, and oob flavor. What is oob flavor? Please let us know in comments. I will give 7 out of 10.
I'll give a 4 out of 10.
What?
2 out of 10.
Oh my goodness, what's wrong with you?
Yes, I feel a drink. What? I get a snack.
Jesus. Oh, jackfruit candy. What?
What's jackfruit?
It's a big fruit.
Oh,
It's already, I can feel the smell.
but it's long.
Look at this.
Cool. It's like a candy.
It looks like a caramel.
Okay, go for it.
I don't know. It's a mixture of mango and durian.
No caramel. There's a caramel.
What's wrong with our taste buds?
I think Sabine, yours is broken today.
Mine are broken. Okay, let's rate it.
7 out of 10.
5 out of 10.
Again, 2 out of 10.
2!
You didn't like it? No.
That's why you eat it all.
I'm not a waster.
Dive in.
Knick-knacks. Chocolate coated biscuits.
Biscuits.
Basically,
Everyone loves biscuits. Oh.
Oh, it's like little fishes.
Smells chocolatey. Should be good. Biscuit coated with chocolate. All I can say.
Good, but I'll give it a 9 out of 10.
I will give 8 out of 10. I liked it.
I'll give it 7 out of 10.
Ready for some drink. Calamanis juice drink. Boy, do you calamani.
Chill, shake, and serve.
It's gonna pop now. It's
Explode.
sparkling. It's gonna be all over us
Oh,
now.
so Alex, look. All good.
Smells like lime.
Oh yes.
Is it lime? It's actually look like lime. Is it good?
So good. It's a lime flavor, really strong lime flavor. People who love lime like me will be amazed on it, honestly. What do you think?
That's very interesting.
Okay, stop tasting. That's mine. I will give 100% 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10! 7 out of 10.
What?
Okay, Gaby, go. Go, Gaby.
Just go.
Whose turn now?
Gabby.
Gabby, tell me what.
Don't break it. Don't break it.
Wait in a sec. I'm gonna put this in. Let me just.
Just check it.
Shake boy pop nick cheese flavor.
Oh, can you smell?
Cheese puffs.
Cheese.
Please.
Cheese puffs.
Look how tiny
Should we grab 2 each
balls.
then?
Yeah, we can feel the flavor. Go for it. And 3, 2, 1, let's go.
Oh.
Crunchy, cheesy. It's quite good actually, isn't it?
Just like cheese puffs.
Okay, then stop. I love cheese puffs, so this is for me. Okay.
It's a good, I would say it would be a good snack for a movie. Like a popcorn, isn't it? Let's rate it.
10 out of 10!
10 out of 10!
10 out of 10!
Okay guys, let's say our favorite one and the least favorite.
I have 2 favorites. Dry mango and those chips, like the shell chips. Yeah, these.
Show me.
And dried mangoes. Jam and, but my leastest favorite is that chips, fishy.
Shrimp
Oh,
one.
shrimp chips.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mango
Close, crisps, yeah.
and
Yeah.
those cheese ones.
This one. That was your favorite.
I have 3 bad ones as well.
Oh.
The pork one, the jam, and I'll say shrimp chips as well.
My favorite was the lime juice. Oh, that was amazing. My least favorite was shrimp chips, for sure. Please let us know in comments which country snacks we should try next. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like